Despite the risk involved in investing in companies with poor fundamentals, certain penny stocks are worth investing in. Penny stocks are referred to as penny because of the inadequate information surrounding these stocks. However, they can get you phenomenal returns, especially when you can carefully analyze a small or startup company's potential for success before the rest of the market. Investing in the best penny stocks offers you a better value for your money with the potential of exponential returns. Are you interested in finding the best penny stocks to invest in this year? Then, keep watching as we discuss the top best penny stocks with great potential. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Penny stocks were previously referred to as stocks traded for less than $1 per share. But with the revision of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, now includes shares being traded below $5. Penny stocks are usually related to small or startup companies. These stocks typically have low liquidity, resulting in difficulty finding the stock's current price. A penny stock can give you impressive returns when due research is done. Here are some of the best penny stocks in the US. Number 1. Transocean Limited, New York Stock Exchange, RIG. This company focuses on gas drilling services and providing offshore oil. Transocean Limited has a market cap of over $2.4 billion and a prior revenue of $3 billion. The public interest in this company's stock has been steadily increasing after they announced the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. The company's share price also witnessed a steady increase to over 200%. Making it one of the best penny stocks to invest in, with 27 hedge fund investors. Number 2. Versatem Incorporated, NASDAQ, VSTM. Versatem is a biopharmaceutical company specializing in advancing new medicines for patients battling cancer. This company's stock is one of the best penny stocks to invest in. After announcing their partnership with Amgen to test the safety of a new cancer drug, they experienced a 22% jump in the company shares. Although the company is constantly beating previously attained feats, it took the whole stock sector by surprise when it closed its revenue a few shots away from $0.5 million. It has a market cap of $258 million and an average trading volume of $1,779,890. Number 3. Amneal Pharmaceuticals, NYSE, AMRX. Most hedge funds rank Amneal Pharmaceuticals as one of the best penny stocks to invest in. This is because this biopharmaceutical company previously reported a 15% increase in revenue, which was way above the expectations of the stock market. The share price for the company witnessed an 18% surge after the Parkinson drug, IPX203, showed positive results from late-stage trials. The finance holding of the company shows a firm foundation with great potential. The company's share price also witnessed a similar but higher 30% surge after Tobradex, a drug for steroid-responsive inflammatory ocular conditions, was approved. 17 hedge funds are estimated to have stakes worth $53 million in Amneal Pharmaceuticals, Inc., NYSE, AMRX. Number 4. Tellurian Incorporated, NASDAQ, TEL. Tellurian is an oil and gas exploration company. The company's stock was able to rally to $4.36, which was an increase of over 235%. Tellurian Inc., NASDAQ, TEL, has great potential of performing exceptionally well with its recently concluded agreement with Total and Shell Energy. The company exceeded market expectations by amassing over $10 million in revenues. This company's penny stock is one of the best penny stocks in the US, with very high potential. In the last 12 months, investors of the Tellurian Inc. penny stocks have been smiling from profits as the stock returned over 295% to investors. An estimated number of 17 hedge funds with stakes in Tellurian Inc. Number 5. Sesen Bio Incorporated, NASDAQ, SESN. Sesen Bio Incorporation is a clinical company specializing in targeted fusion protein therapeutics to treat cancer patients. The company witnessed price fluctuations the previous year, primarily due to the rejection of the cancer drug, Vicinium, which the firm developed. Following the loss of balance, the company implemented cost-reducing measures, including laying off some workforces. This restructuring role was met with a 26% improvement on the stock market, which seemed to be a nod in the right direction. At the end of the second quarter of 2021, they reported a total cash equivalent to $150 million. Number 6. Trivago NV. Nasdaq, TRVG. Trivago NV runs hotel and accommodation search platforms in the United Kingdom, United States, and Germany. This company's stock is one of the best penny stock investments to opt for, with its stock rallying up to 79% just last year. With the lifting of certain COVID virus restrictions and travel rates starting to pick up, the stock rate is bound to climb higher. The second quarter of 2021 ended with 10 hedge funds holding stakes of Trivago NV, Nasdaq, TRVG, worth over $67 million. Number 7. Elox Pharmaceuticals Inc, Nasdaq, ELOX. Elox Pharmaceutical is a biopharm company and owner of the Nasdaq, ELOX. The penny stock has great potential of being the best penny stock in the US. This can be seen through its strong backings from big corporations like Roche Holdings. At the end of the second quarter of 2021, about 8 hedge funds had stakes worth over $10 million in Elox Pharmaceuticals Inc, Nasdaq, ELOX. Do you believe these penny stocks are the best in the US? Was this video helpful? Do let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.